get the caramel sauce making, shall we? To your blender, you're going to add a cup of raw cashews. Make sure that you soak them, as well as a cup of the coconut cream that you see in the can there. You can save the rest for later, put it in a container and make it, with a smoothie. Okay, so now you just want to add a pinch of salt. I use Celtic salt, and then 1/8 of a cup of monk fruit sweetener. You can use maple syrup if you want, but monk fruit just hits the spot with the sweetness for me. You want some level of consistency like so that you see in my Ninja, and this is where I add my dates. Now you can use any kind of date you want that's dried and raw. I didn't have Maduro dates. I think they're a little bit sweeter, but I think that's why I had to add more. I ended up adding about 12 dates into this mixture to get it to the color and consistency that I wanted it. And guys, when I tell you, it was like silky smooth, so pourable, you can kind of see. Oh my God, it was just so good. Guys, give this a try. So there it is. You can use this caramel sauce to drizzle over fruit or as a dip for apples or anything that's salty like pretzels. Just give it a try. You'll love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.